Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael. I want to say a big thank you to those that are sticking with the channel. Thank you so much. It goes a long way in helping the channel grow. And I want to say sorry for being unavailable for a while and not making videos as usual. Not because I've been busy with a lot of stuff. So right now, in this video, I'll be trying to take you on the basics of the command prompt on the Windows machine. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into it. So to access the command prompt on my Windows PC, I'll click on the Windows key, then search for CMD, and click enter. Then this is our command prompt or our terminal. So some basic commands that we can use for this is now to navigate into the desktop folder. This is the name of my PC. I'm currently in my local drive, users, then the name of my PC. Then I will say CD desktop. So right now I've navigated one level above into the desktop folder. Then to see the content of this desktop folder, that is the subfolders inside this desktop folder, I'll just type dir, meaning directory. Dir means directory. And YCD means change directory. So that's the meaning of CD. So to list out the content of this desktop folder, I'm going to type dir and press enter. So this gives me a list of all the folders inside this desktop folder, which is this project folder, which is over here. Then to navigate into this projects folder, I'll just type cd, then projects. Your folder name must be the same way it is. It is exactly named. That is, this is a capital letter P and this is a capital letter P. So if it was a small letter P, it will return back an error. Okay, it didn't return back an error. I guess it will actually navigate us to the subfolder. But if it was a different name, let me say cd, then to go back one level is ... cd ... So that takes us back into the desktop folder. So let me navigate into the project folder. So PRO project. Then if I add an extra S here, I guess the computer should see this as an error. Because it says the system cannot find the path specified. But if it was a small letter project, because the name of this folder matches the name of this project folder, so it assumes that we want to actually navigate into this folder here and capitalizes the first letter. So because it found a match for this project, so that's why it was able to navigate us into this project folder. Now to see the content of this project folder, I'm going to type dir. So to see a list of the contents of this subfolder, I'm going to type dir, which means directory, and click on enter. Now these are the folders inside this project folder: Next.js folder, React.js folder, and so on. So I'll type cd. Let's navigate into the Next.js folder. Next.js. Now I'm in my Next.js folder. Now to clear my screen, because this is looking more occupied, I can maximize this, or I can just clear my screen to CLS, which means clear screen. So that's meaning of CLS. Now if I want to go back 3 levels into the desktop folder, I'll be cd, into my main folder, into my wish folder, I'll be cd ... and ... That is, I'm going 3 levels backward and click on enter. Now I'm in my root folder, which is the Adora folder. Now if I want to navigate back into this Next.js folder, I'm not typing this one after the other like cd desktop, then enter, cd projects, then enter. So I can just concatenate everything like this: cd desktop /project /next-js, and click on enter. Now I'm in my Next.js folder. So let me cd back into the desktop folder, which is just 2 levels backwards. So now I'm in my desktop folder. Now to create a folder, the command we are going to use is mkdir. Let me create a folder named and the name of the folder I'm naming this folder music. Success. So you can see that a music folder has been created for us, which is mkdir. Let's name this one photos. Then a photos folder has been created for us. Then if you want to create multiple folders at the same time, you just say mkdir. Let's say games. Then you leave a space. Then you say, let's say folder. You leave our entire space. Then let's say books. Then you click on your enter key. Now these 3 folders are created from on my desktop. So this space, leaving a space in between each folder assumes that we want to create 3 folders. But if I do like this mkdir and I say games, uppercase, hyphen, a folder, hyphen, books, this create a single folder for us, but with it assumes that the hyphen, so if there are no spaces in between these 3 words and with the presence of this hyphen, it assumes that I want to create a folder with this name, that is games folder books. Now to remove each folder, to remove a folder, we use rmdir, which it means remove directory. To remove a folder is rmdir, remove directory. That's the menu of rmdir, remove directory. So the folder name, let me delete the remove folder. Sorry. Let me delete the music folder. Click on enter. Now my music folder is no more on my desktop. rmdir. Then we'll delete the cooks folder. Now the books folder is gone. Now once we delete all of these 4 folders at once on a single line, it is rmdir. Then the name of the whole folder, which is music, with the music folder has been deleted, photos, games folder, dance hyphen folder, comment the word out backup script of a folder hyphen. What was the last? Books. So that is, remove these directories and click on enter. You can see that these 4 directories are not been deleted from our laptop. So if you want to create a new file, let's say an index.html file. If you want to create an index.html file on my desktop, all I have to do is type echo dot then index.html file. I click on enter. Now it will create an index.html file for us just in our desktop folder. Let me refresh this as it. Oh sorry, I think it's echo dot the angle brackets index.html. Yes. So is echo dot the a greater than sign, then index.html. Then you want to create a text file, it should be echo dot text dot txt file. So this is our text was txt file and our index.html file. So let me delete this index.html file. Oh, I should have shown you how to do that with a command, but I will still show you how to do that. So you want to create an index.html file, but with some content, with some HTML content to be copied on index.html. Click enter. So you can see that there's a blinking cursor here. So you can observe this blinking cursor here. It means it's waiting for the content that will be inside this index.html file. So the file is still yet to be created. So let me copy some HTML content that I will paste over here, because this is not an HTML course video, but I will still drop a video on basics of HTML soon on my channel. So let me paste some HTML content here. So I've copied the HTML content. I just click on Ctrl V here to paste it. So let me add Okay, so it's just a simple HTML content with HTML tag, an egg tag, a body tag that says hello world. Then you now hit Ctrl Z on your keyboard. Then hit Enter key. Now you can see this message, one file copied. Then you can see this message, one file's copied. Therefore, if I want to open this index.html file with my browser, I'll just click Start index.html. So what this does is it opens my index.html file with my default. It's my default application for opening HTML files. I'll click on Enter. Then it's going to open this on my browser saying hello world. So if I want to create another HTML file, that will be copy con, let's call this home.html. Hit Enter. Then I'll just have an HTML tag. HTML tag. On page, that says on page. Then inclusive head tag. Then open a body tag. Now say I open a p tag. This is just a basic HTML. I'll say welcome to the on page. Then create a closing tag and close this off. Then it's my closing body tag, the closing tag for the body tag. Then I'll close this HTML tag off with this closing HTML tag. So this is just the structure of every basic HTML file. We have our HTML tag, we open our closing tag, the head tag, but this is not an HTML free video. So I'll create a video on that on the basis of HTML. So I'll hit Enter. I'll say Ctrl Z and I'll hit Enter. So it has created a home.html for us. Then I'll say Start home.html. I click Enter. So you can see home page. Welcome to the home page. So to delete a file in the command prompt, all that is del index.html. I'll say that our index.html is gone. So then it creates again the echo dots angle brackets index.html. So if we are tired of then create CLF, then create clear screen. So if you want to navigate through your history of commands that you have written on your command prompt, is the up arrow key and down arrow key to navigate through the history of prompts that I have written so far. So that will to navigate through it and see. So let me delete these two files. That will be there home.html index.html. So the two files are gone. I have to delete this text.txt also. Now we'll del text.txt. Hit Enter. So that's it, guys. Those are some basic command prompts. So that's it for this video, guys. These are some basic command prompts that I feel like you should know as a developer or as a programmer. All these command prompts might come in handy. So we have some basic command prompts. So what we covered in this video is to navigate through a directory, to go back some particular amount of levels from a particular directory. That is cd dot by doing the cd dot slash this. We do have to go back 3 levels from a directory or just 1 level cd dot. There we also learned how to create a new folder or a new directory by mkdir, or to remove the folder through rmdir, or delete a folder. Then to create a new file, which is any typewise, which is echo dot angle brackets and the name of your file. And we also learned how to delete a file which is through the del key, and how to input your content, which is copy con, and you put your HTML file name and you copy some HTML content, and you to create an HTML file with some HTML content inside of it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.